We're going to talk about applications in part 11. Hopefully you have a solid understanding of Wi-Fi design now, and we can look at some of the cool applications that run on a Wi-Fi network and the benefits that they have to your business. So what you need to think about is that sometimes a Wi-Fi is just a component of a larger application. And what I mean by that is, you want to mount a TV to a wall. Well, first you need the wall. So a customer or a client comes up with an idea to change the way they do business, and so they need inventory management or something, and the software developer says, well, our system only runs over Wi-Fi, so then we need Wi-Fi and we need this kind of spec, and it's gotta run this way and that way. And so the client realizes they have to buy a Wi-Fi that works with the application. So the Wi-Fi is just a piece of that puzzle. And the application itself might be off the shelf. And so, they're buying it and then they're implementing it. Or it might be something that the client's software department is designing for themselves. Some larger companies have their own in-house application developers. You might be the one building it. You have to be careful about scope creep. You have to be careful. Some of these software developers are totally nuts. Off-the-shelf program that say it's gonna take 3 months to install and customize, because it's off the shelf in quotes. It's not actually off the shelf. Like if you buy SAP, for example, SAP or Microsoft Dynamics, they run enterprises, but they don't necessarily, you can't just buy it and install it the same way you buy and install Microsoft Office. There's a lot of customization. There's a lot of code that has to be written so that the program runs for your organization exactly the way you want it to. So on the one hand, they're more complicated, but on the other hand, they have a flexibility to add the features that you need. And of course, Microsoft themselves don't customize their program for you. You have to go to a developer, and the developer customizes the program. And depending on how crazy they are, they might take a few years. And part of it is them, and part of it is the client keeps asking for more features, and the program never gets finished. But I digress.